Today I am documenting building Pinky the Muppet. She came as part of a Muppet kit from a company called Monkey Boys Productions. They have a few different options. Hers is a full arm Muppet, and she's the smaller version of the Munch kit. The kit itself was $90 with shipping and taxes. I added a few items to her to make her more custom, including the ears, different eyes, a hairdo, a mouth. So that brought the total up to about $110. And I put about 40 hours of work into Pinky. Yeah, Pinky, you were there, you should know that. Let's do this. So this kit comes with almost everything that you need. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by piecing the pattern together. So they've included the full pattern print. We're gonna cut these out, and there's a couple of pieces that we'll tape together, and then we'll be ready to transfer them onto the materials. I like to cut out kind of a general area so I have all the pieces separated, and then I go in for the detail work. All right, I've got all of my pieces cut out. The next step is to cut out the pattern pieces from all of the different materials. We are going to cut these out from fur. Got a little stack of things to cut out from the polyfoam. This will be chipboard, which I've never cut before, so that'll be interesting. And then the felt. I'm gonna start with the chipboard because there's only 2 of those pieces, so let's go for that. How hard can it be, right? So I have to mark the punching holes on here, which means that I should probably go ahead and punch those in now, and then I can be more precise in my markings. I just punch through with a pencil. That works. I'm gonna try doing this with electric scissors, see if that works. Did a little test piece, and it seems promising. That's not my favorite, I gotta say. So I have the mouth plates cut out, but I still need to make the holes. I'm gonna try using an awl to do that. And these will be the holes used to put the thread through. Next, we're gonna cut out the Munch mouth interior from felt. The piece they give you is very little, so you have to make sure you angle it, which they do actually show you if you look at the pattern layout. Show you exactly how to put it on there. Next, we're doing the polyfoam. So these all say cut 2, which means we're gonna do one this direction and then we're gonna cut one mirrored. All right, I've got everything cut out except for the faux fur, which I'm not looking forward to. The best way to cut it is with a razor blade. That's so pretty. So this is the Fuchsia limited edition fur. So you can see that the fur is all running in one direction. And so when we have instructions on here for fur direction, we're gonna go ahead and face it obviously on the back side, but we're gonna face it in the direction that the fur is going. So lining that up. I got the first piece cut out. The razor blade works really well. You basically just want to make sure that when you're cutting, you're only cutting through this material here and not through the actual fur. think this is the final pattern piece. My fingers are pretty sore from cutting with the razor blades, so I really hope that's the case. So all my pieces are cut, so I'm gonna call it a day and I'll pick this up tomorrow with the sewing and the gluing and all the other stuff.